Hello guys, it's me Nemo from GameNEMO420 and today it is not the sunniest, beautifulest day. It's actually raining and it should start thundering soon. But anyways, I thought I should do this quick video for you. In between, I know if you watch the sky it's blue, but if I watch the other way it's dark, and it is wet on the ground and on the table here, and I just needed to wipe out the chair I'm sitting in because it's also wet. So yeah, anyways, I thought I should smoke this joint and talk a bit. So hope you smoke long, damn long, at least taking that nice kind of noise deep in your lungs, because this will be very deep in mine very soon. So yeah, I thought I should ask you guys to just subscribe. Click down there, subscribe. Don't forget the bell button so you can get notification when I upload, which will be once a week at least. So yeah, anyways, cheers. I wonder what you guys actually no. I wonder what if I ask you guys to support me, not only to watch but to send me some money on, for example, PayPal. I don't know the other sides. I'm just thought up this right now. I'm not asking for a lot. It's not necessary. It's just if you want to contribute to. I just ask you guys if you want to. If you are willing to support me and my smoking, and keep up my good work with better gear, by sending me small amounts of money. I'm not saying you should send me like $100 or anything like that, but what you feel comfortable to send. So yeah. You could write in the comments what you think about it, and we will see from there what I will do with the information. If I will start a collection, or if I will just skip it. But if you sponsor me with money, I will guarantee you guys it will be one video once a day, and so it would get the content and the channel very much more energy, because then I have afford to get better gear, I get afford to get more smoke and more hashish, more weed. As you perhaps know, I spend around $250 each month on just weed and hash. So it's kind of expensive for me that don't have any income. But anyways, enough about that. I hope you have a really nice day today, and look after each other. And keep it nice. So yeah. That is this for this time. So peace. See you next time.